what's the sandhills look like? These rolling hills of pure beach sand covered in native grasses. A lot of people don't even realize that it exists. There's no better place in the world to raise cattle than the Nebraska Sandhills.
We are the sponge for the aquifer, the Ogallala Aquifer. This is where the rain falls here, feeds the aquifers. One of the remaining intact grasslands in the world. It's ranching paradise.
We're losing grasslands at a much higher rate than we are losing any other biome across the world right now. Out here, it's largely privately owned, so we are in a complex of a lot of different family-owned ranches who've traced back to the mid-1800s when this area was settled.
Sandhills are actually a huge part of our state. They take up about a third of our state, about 20 million acres. It's a pretty special place because you can have a really viable product with our beef cattle and yet still really make some conservation strides and protect the native prairie the way it's been for a long, long time.
Among the sand dunes are these amazing lakes. Many of them are highly alkaline. We do experience a gradient of alkalinity, ranging from neutral to highly alkaline. We are particularly interested in the nematodes, the only animal that we discover in the most alkaline lakes being able to survive. A nematode is also called a worm. It is a microscopic worm, so it is a worm that you won't be able to see with a naked eye. You need to have a microscope to see it.
You can't see them. They're microscopic. They're thread-like worms. They're transparent under the microscope. You can see the intestine, the pharynx, the gut. They are the most abundant multicellular animal on the planet. They have all kinds of roles in food webs. There is the thinking that if we can kind of understand some of these organisms, we might understand a little bit more about what makes an ecosystem resilient, what might help us save critical or vital ecosystem functions. I don't know what a world without nematodes would actually look like.
And the hope is to find tuberculous nematodes within the sediment. If you dig up like a thing of soil, you will find nematodes in them, and they are very important for the nitrogen and carbon cycle. The steps of data collection include we choose a spot.
Okay, 123, 124.
We collect the GPS coordinates.
I'm ready to jump in there.
Kind of in that general area, we'll choose like two, usually three, like cores from the sediment and put them in a bag and then go back to shore.
It's fun. You know, I wouldn't have another excuse to come out here to this very remote but beautiful area and collect things out of the mud.
Just tell me when it's about halfway.
And just push the button directly through.
You don't choose the nematode life. The nematode life chooses you.
I think seeing these resources will help connect people to how important studying nematodes are to the conservation of these ecosystems.
We are working in collaboration with the real people that depend on the diversity of this land, diversity of soils and diversity of the lakes. The ranchers need this diversity to pass this land to their future generations.
The biggest goal that we always have, and kind of what we live by day to day, is to always leave it better than we got it.
We love every square inch of this land, and we love this wildlife that's here, and we're doing the best we can to manage it for everyone.